This is just a quick tool review on the KingBolen BM580. I picked it up for about $30 on Amazon. So like any other battery tester, plug it up positive and negative, check battery, 12 volt. Obviously I'm doing it in the car. Doing a battery test, regular, co-cranking amps, 500. Very quick, nice display. Also has a starting test, load test, charging system test, a few different options on testing the battery. Pretty cool tool. This is actually just the first time I'm trying it on a car, so first impressions though, pretty cool. I like it.